Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a tour of the Melrose Hill bypass that's under construction in Manchester. It's just on the outskirts of Williamsfield and it connects you from Porus to Williamsfield. Now this road is being upgraded to a 4-lane dual carriageway as it's going to be a part of Highway 2000. That is the highway that runs from Kingston to Montego Bay. So we're giving you an update on how far they've reached with the construction. And there you can see the 2 lanes that we're driving on. That section will be 2 lanes, and then on the left of the Jersey barrier will be another 2 lanes. Now this road is the Melrose Hill bypass, but Highway 2000 is going to incorporate it into its alignment. So you can still drive on the bypass without paying any toll, but it still will be the Melrose Hill bypass, but it will be a part of the Highway 2000 project. That is, or a part of Highway 2000. And that is why it's being upgraded now, because the entire highway from Kingston to Montego Bay will look like this with the 4-lane dual carriageway and the Jersey barrier in the middle. So this road takes you from Porus to Williamsfield and from Williamsfield to Porus. So as long as you're driving on that section of the road, you don't have to pay toll. However, if you're going to go on to the if you're going to drive from, say, Williamsfield to Kingston, you would access the highway from the Williamsfield roundabout and then drive on the Melrose Hill bypass and then go on to the main road or the highway that takes you on to Kingston. So there is going to be one additional toll plaza between Maypen and Mandeville, and that's going to be in Tollgate. Alright, so the finished section of the road is finished, so we're back onto the part that's under construction. And this highway is actually going to open in August 2023, August of this year, which is April, May, June, July, in a few months. And it's going to be a game changer for the town of Mandeville, because you can get from Kingston to Mandeville in 45 minutes now, between 40 and 45 minutes on this highway. So the Kingston, just to give you some background on this project now, the Highway 2000 project, that's to build a highway from Kingston to Montego Bay connecting both international airports. It's going to be a toll road, and the Kingston to Maypen leg of the highway is finished. So what we're looking at now is a section of the highway that from Maypen to Mandeville, or more specifically from the Maypen roundabout to the Williamsfield roundabout. And then when this highway is finished in August, another leg of the highway taking you from Williamsfield to Hodges in St. Elizabeth is going to be built. This new section of the highway was announced by the Prime Minister earlier this month, or in February. It was announced recently. So the highway will start at the Williamsfield roundabout, bypass Mandeville with a Mandeville bypass, and then you're going to have a Spurtree Hill bypass, and then you're going to have exits for all the major towns, Black River, Junction, Santa Cruz, and then the additional section of the highway will end in Hodges, St. Elizabeth. And then at a future date, the highway will be built from Hodges in St. Elizabeth to Mount Pelion and then from Mount Pelion, the highway is being built out with an Anchovy bypass, a Long Hill bypass, and then down into Montego Bay, where it will connect to the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. And that section of the highway from Mount Pelion to the Perimeter Road in Montego Bay is actually under construction now. So basically this highway could be finished in another 3-4 years, depending on how fast they move. And it's China Harbour Engineering Company that does all the work, and so it should move rather quickly. So the only section of the highway left to be announced or for construction to start will be from Hodges in St. Elizabeth to Mount Pelio. And then the highway will be completed. Alright, so we'll keep you guys updated between now and August to show you the progress of the highway. And we'll make updates every 2 weeks to keep you guys updated. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And also any other project or road you want us to make a video of, just leave it in the comments. We'll be happy to do it. Alright guys, have a good day.